Here we're going to service this Ford C-Max. It's a 2.0 petrol Ford engine. Come underneath the vehicle. You've got a engine pan. I'm just taking this one off, so you've got 3 at the front, another 2 here, that's 5, and then 6 and 7 at the back. And they are T30 torque bolt screws, whatever you'd like to call them. Here we're going to take off the ignition coil. These screws up. Then we've got this ratchet to get the spark plugs out. Spark plug out. We're using a 10mm spark plug socket, and we'll be replacing them with these. Drop it down, get the ratchet back on that and tighten it up. We're just going to do the same with the 40s. All them back in. Air filter is in this box. We're going to use a 7mm screwdriver and undo these 4 screws, or however many, sorry. 1, 2, 3, yeah, there's 4. Let's check this out. You can see where it's kind of distorted in shape, which means the engine was sort of struggling to breathe, struggling to get air in, so it's pulling the air filter down. There's our new filter. This goes in there, and then this slot here should line up with the slot that's on the bottom here. You feel it go in snug once it's in, nice and tight. And the top can go back on. We're going to put this engine cover back on. And line it up to these. This oil filler cap extender goes in like that, or like that more like, and then locks into place. We're going to top this coolant up, and that's done. Now we're going to use an oil pan under the car and get this drain socket. And that is a 13mm socket. we're going to move on to the oil filter. That's our replacement. Screw on. Here's our engine oil. I'm going to pour in our filling jug and then get it in the engine. I pour that in here. Just going to put the engine cover back on. I've already put it on by hand. We're just doing it by our electric ratchet. Get the axle stands out. Now the engine's down, the car's down. In fact, the engine oil can be checked from the dipstick here. Oil's a little bit too clean to see visibly, so we're going to run the engine for a few minutes and then check it again. The engine's been switched off for a minute. I'm going to check it again. Quite clean. I'm going to re-dip it. So it could use maybe another half a litre. Recheck it, and then it's spot on. And we're all done here on this. We'll be putting some more servicing videos up. If there's any particular vehicles that you're interested in, let us know, and we'll see if we can get that model up. Thank you and goodbye.